All right, this is Rob. I'm up here in Subic and we're installing Alienrider M2 Pro system on Eddie's KTM. Say hi, Eddie.
Hi.
So the unit went on pretty easy. Had a crossbar available that was nice and easy to mount the host display, which we'll fire up here in a minute. And he's got a really nice layout with good alignment. It just sits right over his cockpit display. We'll swing around and show the front camera. We actually had to fab a little bracket to get the camera mounted, just because to get some flat space to give a good mount. Fabbed a bracket and drilled and ran screws into it along with the adhesive mount. He got TPMS, so we got tire pressure sensor in the front. In the back, rear camera was a lot more straightforward. A nice mount. We drilled a couple of holes and used the adhesive, and it sits just really nicely between the tail light and license plate. And we got TPMS on the back. So now we're gonna fire it up and align the cameras and then take it for a test ride.
Say hello, Eddie.